Hi and welcome back to Graphilus. So in this video we'll be discussing about the various plan that Canva offers with their prices and the differences of that particular plan. When you log into Canva and create a new account, you are default eligible for a Canva free plan. So in the top panel you can see an option of plan and pricing, and in that particular option you can see the compare pricing. So click on it and you will land onto the different plans that Canva has to offer. There are 4 plans particularly available. So first is Canva Free, Canva Pro, Canva Teams and Canva Enterprise. As I said, the default plan is Canva Free, where you can see the features that you have. Next is the Canva Pro plan, where you can unlock premium content, particularly much more content and brand kits, and also you can have quick design options too. You have a much higher cloud storage and also available for online customer support. The Canva team plans is particularly for a group of persons or team who want to work on a same design or stuff. They want to collaborate particularly. This option is good for a small business or a small enterprise. In this, of course, the first option that you get is to collaborate with your own team reports and insight. You get a good amount of cloud storage, some customer support, admin controls. The last is Canva Enterprise, which is good for big organizations. You get much more functionality, particularly which is required by organization. So it's your choice to choose from the best plan which will fit your needs. For this particular tutorial, we'll be using Canva free plan, which definitely contains these all features. So in the next video, we'll talk about the Canva dashboard, the various features that this particular app has to offer. Thank you. See you soon.